Isha says, I accidentally dropped the Quran. What is the hidayah or the hadiyah I have to give now? So Isha most likely is asking about the expiation for a person who had dropped the Mus'haf, the Quran. So a person is holding the Quran, reading it, then he drops it. Is there any expiation for that? The answer is no. It's a mistake. And so many people have seen them, they hold the Quran, they kiss it. And some people go to an extra mile when they offer sujood, and they call it the minor sajda. So they kiss it and they prostrate on it. What is this? Said, no, this is a sign of respect. No, akhi, this is a clear innovation. No one had ever said that prostrating on the Quran is a sign of respect. So if you drop the Quran, there's nothing for you to do except to be more careful.
فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون